To set up Zaman Wallet, start by going to the official Zaman website and clicking on the download link for your operating system. Once the download is complete, open the installer and follow the prompts to install the wallet on your computer. Next, launch the Zaman Wallet application and you will be presented with the option to create a new wallet or restore an existing one. If you are new to Zaman, select the Create New Wallet option and follow the on-screen instructions to generate a unique wallet address and private key. It is essential to store your private key in a secure location, such as an encrypted file or a safe, as it is used to access and manage your Zaman funds. You will also be asked to create a password to encrypt your wallet, which adds an extra layer of security to protect your funds. After setting up your wallet, you can start sending and receiving Zaman by using the Send and Receive tabs within the wallet application. To send Zaman, simply enter the recipient's wallet address, the amount you want to send, and your password to authorize the transaction. To receive Zaman, you can share your wallet address with the sender, who can then use it to send you funds. You can also use the Receive tab to generate a QR code that contains your wallet address, making it easy to receive funds from mobile devices. Best practices for securing your Zaman wallet include regularly updating your wallet software, using strong and unique passwords, and storing your private key in a secure location. It is also recommended to enable two-factor authentication and to use a hardware wallet for added security. By following these steps and best practices, you can set up and use your Zaman wallet securely and efficiently, allowing you to take full advantage of the benefits that Zaman has to offer.